Fast 16-inch OLED QHD plus 240Hz display. Truly designed for the competitive gamer with 0.2 milliseconds response time, featuring a VISA Clear MR 11,000 rating and Display HDR 500 certified to ensure minimal blurring and vivid colors, 1,000,000 to 1 contrast ratio and 100%. DCI P3 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics. Packed for pure performance with 1.50 gigapixels per second and delivers up to 30% more graphic power per cubic inch than any other 16-inch gaming laptop Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. Featuring 24 cores and 5.8 GHz max clock speed game, and create flawlessly with the most powerful mobile processor leveraging desktop-grade silicon. Push performance even further with overclock mode in Razer Synapse Vapor Chamber cooling system. Enjoy optimal thermal performance with a unique single-piece vapor chamber design, featuring 0.5mm exhaust fins and special NAS-bias insulating sheets that cool keyboard temperatures by up to 12%. Light and durable anodized aluminum unibody. CNC milled from a single block of aircraft-grade aluminum for optimal strength-to-weight ratio, and is anodized with a matte black finish for a smooth, scratch-resistant surface. Razer Snap Tap. Enjoy truly responsive in-game movement via Razer Synapse 4 by prioritizing the latest input between a pair of assigned keys. Snap Tap is off by default and can be toggled on-off in Razer Synapse Ultra Compact GAN Charger. Up to 330 watts. Keep the laptop ready to go with a charger that's not only faster and more power efficient than standard adapters, but also up to 60% smaller